have the finished product right here in front of you of the Quick Bench in our laundry room, and I'm so excited to show you how it's going to work. So this is obviously after we stained everything, and how this works is you simply lift up from here, and you hear that click. That means that the brackets clicked into place. And you can actually see underneath how they are holding up the wood. I like to sometimes keep a basket on the folding table because that way I can put in dirty clothes or rags or whatever, and they can just be held in this basket for when it gets full, and then I just wash them. And I also got these 3 prints from Pinterest. So, and if I want to go ahead and I'm done folding and I do not want the table to be in the upright position, I'm just going to pull up on the brackets a little bit, and then it goes right back down. Ta-da! That's it. All right, hi everybody. Got my glasses on, and I'm going to wear a mask so no sawdust gets in my eyes or breathe any in. And I got 220 grit sandpaper because that is what's going to make it the smoothest. So I'm just going to start sanding back and forth, and I'm just going to do this all over the top of the table. And I'm just going to brush all the sand or the dust, the sawdust, away. And I'm just using a dustpan to try to collect it. But I also have a drop cloth on the floor as well. So now I'm going to use the tack cloth, and I'm going to wipe away the sawdust after I brushed it, just to make sure you got any remains of dust. Okay, so now I'm going to use the pre-stained wood conditioner, and so this is what it looks like right here. And just got it from Home Depot, and it just says to make sure you stir it really well. And take a lint-free cloth to apply it. You can also use a foam brush, but I'm going to use a lint-free cloth. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to just go ahead and take some of this stain here and put it, I'm not going to use a lot. And I'm going to go with the grain and just lightly spread it onto the surface. And here I go. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to start back here and just kind of brush it on. It's going on really nicely. Good coverage. And I'm also going to get the sides. Just going to go back and forth.